All right, I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we're going to discuss something in which David has been a part of recently and has had many cases in the past, and that's with bus accidents and with clients or victims actually getting something caught in the door of the bus. And a lot of times these bus drivers, they're on a schedule. So they need to be to the next stop within 6 minutes or 4 minutes, and if they don't leave at a certain time, they're going to miss their next stop, and their boss is going to yell at them, and they feel this is necessary. Well, David has an interesting case as it relates to a bus injury recently, and David, explain that situation.
Yeah, this is an unfortunate situation where my client basically came to me and said, I was trying to exit the bus, and I was on my way out when all of a sudden the bus door just closed out on me. And, this poor girl's shoulder has now severe injuries as a result of these. And, these bus doors, a lot of people think like, oh, they're just bus doors. But you got to understand, they're mechanical devices. Somebody's pushing a lever from some of the stuff. It's like your brakes. We have like these brakes on our cars now. You press them, I guess the better example is that our wheels. Back in the days, we used to have like these tough wheels you had to turn. There was no hydraulic system, and you really had to work at it. So same thing with these bus doors. They got hydraulic forces, and somebody presses a button or pushes a lever, and these things close. And it's a lot of force that's involved. And a lot of times what happens is people are trying to get out. The bus driver is, like you said exactly, trying to leave the spot, trying to get everybody off the bus. They're not paying attention. And a lot of times I've noticed that it happens with the rear door of the bus because, the person's getting off, they're not paying attention. There's actually a mirror in the back of the bus that they can look through their mirror and look back and see if there is their person. They're trying to either exit the bus or enter the bus. And the rule is that they have to make sure that that door is free and clear of any passengers, or free and clear of any passengers attempting to get on the bus before they close it. But I believe, like you said, they won't admit to it, but because they're on a tight schedule, because they have to make sure that they make it to the next bus stop and continue on, they're a lot of time in a rush, and they're not paying attention, and they just, boom, close that door to continue on, and unfortunately, passengers such as the client that I have now end up suffering and sustaining pretty severe injuries that unfortunately lead sometimes to surgery.
Absolutely. And so if you have been in a bus accident or any type of accident as it relates to any type of transportation in California, whether it be the MetroLink, whether it be a bus, whether it be a train, any type of situation, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. The phone number will be above in the YouTube video, and it will also be below in the information. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.